Hello everyone, welcome back to the Pocket Learning channel. In today's video, we are going to cover case statement in MySQL. So before going into the topic, please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for getting more updates. So basically, case statement is a very powerful tool where we can dynamically give multiple conditions and provide multiple results for each and every condition. So how does it work? So when it meets the first condition, so it provides the result. So if we have given any second condition, it goes through the second condition and it matches the condition, then it provides the result. Else we can give uh, some other statement or some other value which to be displayed when our two or one or two conditions were not matched. So let's see how the syntax will be looking like and also how we are going to implement in the SQL. So the syntax will be like case and when we'll be giving some condition one, and then the result will be this. Same, we'll be giving some other condition two, and then result two. So else we'll be writing uh, some XYZ if the condition doesn't matches, and then at the end we'll be giving end. So this is the syntax which we'll be using in the case statement. So how it works? So how it runs the query? So when we run execute the query, so it goes through the first condition. When the condition gets matched, so it will provide this result, and it goes to the second condition and it provides this result if the condition matches. And then there is no condition matched. Both the data is from doesn't have any match with the conditions which we have provided in the 1 and 2. So then it will return else the result will be XYZ. XYZ. And not only XYZ, we can provide anything. So this is how it works. So let's implement this and we'll see. Right now, we'll check a query like how many employees are there in the organization and how what are the salary uh, segmentation, like who is the highest paid and who are at the economy and who are at good pay, and else we will give some uh, other pay where the salary need to be increased. So let's keep some conditions and we'll check how the case statement works. So select start from teachers table, teachers underscore data. So now let's check the data and then we'll write the query. So this is the data. So there we can see multiple salaries in the database. So what we'll do, we'll just select. So we can pick the columns which are required. So now I'm taking employee ID as employee underscore ID and the first name and salary. So now we give the condition or case where how we are doing the segmentation. So on what conditions we are giving the segmentation to the employees as per the salary criteria. So As we have earlier, we have seen case, we'll start the case and we'll be providing the conditions with when next to the when keyword. So the condition will be salary greater than, on an average, we'll take 50,000. So then the result will be, we'll take greater than or equal to 50,000. We'll keep this margin. So then the result will be good, good pay, good pay. So in the next condition, we'll be giving salary less than 50,000. So already we have included equal to 50,000 in the first condition. So we are taking less than 50,000. So then this will be economy. So in next condition, I just want to pick the maximum salary in the organization. So in that case, we'll be using the max keyword to get the max salary the employee in the organization. So what I'll do, I'll just give a nested query like select max salary from same table teachers. Let's put data. Then the result will pay as highest payment, highest pay. So we have given all our three conditions. So now we'll be giving an else condition. So when the else condition gets fired, when uh, all these conditions when doesn't match, then else condition will be applied for the particular row of data. So else uh, no data form, not no data form. We'll give salary to be uh, we'll get no data form. So and now we need to provide end, and we'll end as, and we also need to provide the particular column name for this case, because we already we are already selecting the employee ID, first name, salary, and we are also adding a new column in the output to segment the salary as per the good economy and highest pay. So we need to give a new column as, I'll give it as salary underscore segment. We're going to pick this data from teachers underscore data. So this is how we'll be writing the query. So I'll close this tab and we'll just execute and we'll check how it's working. Yes, we got the result. Uh, there is no order in the output, so we'll be providing order by salary DS. So let's execute and we'll see. So we are unable to find the highest pay. And already we can see highest pay 65,000. So what we'll do, we'll just keep the highest payment at the top. So when the query executes, first it returns the highest pay and then we this below mentioned segments will be displayed. So this is how we'll sort the problem when we write any query case. You are handling with any integers or something. We can handle in this way. So control enter. So now we can see the highest pay is 65,000. So what else? What if I remove the order by? So what I'll do? I'll just execute the query and sense and I'll see. So till now, even though you can see the order is disturbed, you can see the highest pay because we have executed it first and we picked it. So what if I keep it in the last? So you can see it works, but it doesn't return 65,000 as highest. So this is the reason we are keeping it in the first order to get the highest bid. And we'll apply the order by to make it a better, view it in a better way. So once I execute it, you can see this is a structured output we got. So this is how um, case statement will be used. So simply we have dynamically given multiple conditions in the query itself for segmenting the salary of employees as good pay, highest pay, and economy.